I don't know how we did this one.
My name is Mark, and you are Humbly Driven Live.
We are.
We live. It's live. We're live.
We're sitting in the wrong areas.
I know that. It's Humbly Driven Live at 5.
I can't do it, man.
Humbly Driven Live at 5.
We are making a citizen's arrest.
Nah, this bitch want to tailgate people and practically run people off the road, but now she's shook because we're behind her and shit. But she went to Starbucks, followed her there, was gonna say something to her, but she got in her car too quick. She's probably on the phone with the cops. Don't fucking tailgate people, damn near try to run people off the road if you gonna be shook and someone follow you. Yo, I don't know if you can see it, but we're pulled over because I was tailgating, but the person behind me was tailgating me. I was more than a car length from the person in front of me. The person in front of me cut me off at first, put on their hazards instead of just letting me pass. Like, why not stop the person behind me that was less than a car length? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Something I was tailgating someone. Like, get the fuck. There's no way this is fucking stop. But I'm gonna elaborate what happened. Okay, first and foremost, we was in like Prince Frederick. What the fuck? These people. But we was in Prince Frederick, right? Now, there's 2 lanes in Prince Frederick and coming from Prince Frederick. We were in the far right lane, the slow lane, because we were just chilling. We were like a couple car lengths from this car in front of us. So this dumb bitch in this Prius, like, at first she couldn't go nowhere anyway, but she was like on our bumper. Like, she was less than a car length, if I put it like that. But she was on our bumper. And like, I let up off the accelerator to tell her, you know, I'm not going any faster, so get over. I mean, she had room to get over. So the traffic on the left of us finally cleared up. So, and like, I clocked it. 3 miles following us, she had clear lane, a clear left lane to get over and get in front of me as well as the car in front of us. And she didn't. 3 fucking miles. 3 miles. So she wants to be an ass. So I slowed down. And she still didn't get over. I slowed down to the exact speed limit, which was 55. She still didn't get over. She just wanted to be an ignorant bitch. So she had, like I said, 3 miles she could have got the fuck over, dude. But she didn't. And if I get interrupted, I'm sorry. Get the fuck. I got my phone off of Do Not Disturb. But, so like, she finally, like, so then she gets over. No. Yeah, she gets in front of us and shit. Finally. Gets over and get in front of us and shit. So we, like, get behind her. And we weren't tailgating her, though. That's a good couple car lengths and shit. So, we was like, alright. We was trying to get to the light. We couldn't get to the side of her where we can say shit to her. So, and then, like, she's doing this. I'm sorry, I see cars, I get distracted. But she's doing it again to, like, other people. Like, she still has clear space to get in the fucking another lane and then switch over. And another thing, too, like, people get close to you and then switch over. I know 4 or 5 car lengths if I'm going faster than someone. So I get over then. I don't get right up on someone's bumper or a car length. Because a car length is not enough to fucking stop. Especially if someone has to slam on their fucking brakes because of the car in front of them. But anyway, so then she did it again. Like, tailgating this guy, or this person, girl, I don't know who was driving, but. And like, she had space to get over, but she didn't. She was just being an ignorant bitch, dude. I can't focus. I keep hearing these nice engines, man. So anyway, like, we see her turn off, go to this little shopping center I always go to. So, I was gonna, like, follow her and say something to her stupid ass. But So she turned into the shopping center. She was in a rush to go to fucking Starbucks. That's what she was in a rush to fucking go to, in Starbucks. So, like, we park. Wait till we was gonna say something when she was getting out her car, but this dumb person was, like, driving slow. Don't know what the fuck they doing. Wasn't sure if they was gonna turn or whatever, so we missed that opportunity. So, we park. We wait till she get her to Starbucks or whatever. She comes out. Again, another person was, like, taking their fucking sweet time to go in the entrance because we were being nice to let them go. This person was taking forever again to turn. So she went, and then she went through the yellow light. I didn't stop her because I know different areas. So we made a right and then bucked the U or some shit. Then we caught up with her ass, and like we're behind her and shit. And I guess she sees us, whatever. She starts slowing down, and she put on her fucking hazards. And she just started slowing down. So we was like trying to get away from her now at this point because I figured she got the hint. But, so like then, like traffic is coming up. And she's still tailgating people the whole fucking way. So like, when traffic comes up, she gets over or some shit. And then when we're trying to pass her, she cuts in front of us and shit. Swings back in front of us wildly. And, like, what the fuck? Instead of just letting us pass. But then, like, I guess at this point she was like on the phone with the cops or whatever, saying shit. Cause I figured that's why, because I saw a cop, and like thank God, like our GPS, cause it, like I said, even like the way it took us, it was going the same. No, it seriously was going the same way it was taking her, or whichever way she was going. So our exit finally comes up. So we get over and we see this cop. And he pulled us over or whatever. He was talking about something. I stopped you for tailgating. We already know why we were stopped, because of that stupid bitch. Like I said, how the fuck you gonna get shook and you're the one being ignorant? You gonna fucking call the cops. Like I said, watch who the fuck you tailgate. You never know who the fuck you tailgate. And she's probably gonna still do the same shit. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? What the fuck is this Mini Cooper lady, man? I don't know what the fuck is wrong with these people. I don't know if you can see this, cause my battery's hella low. It's a chick driving this joint. Like, she had a nice exhaust in this shit too. What is he doing? What is he doing? He's picturing shit.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.